Ole ole, this is Hellhound Engineering Solutions bringing you a down and dirty unboxing and installation of Costco Michelin Guardian wiper blades. Inside the box, you will find an accessory pack with additional connectors for the different vehicle blade arms. Also, there is an instruction manual that is not readable without a magnifying glass. I wish they would at least use a size 12 font. And finally, the wiper blades, one per box. Time to remove the old wiper blade by raising the blade up from the windshield. Open the connector cover. Locate and press the release tab. Push the blade arm up, then removing it out from the old blade. This is how long it really takes to remove the old wiper blade from the blade arm. It is crazy simple. It takes me longer to find the remote and turn on the TV. Installing the new blade is this easy. Just do everything in reverse, push the blade arm into the wiper blade, then pull the blade back to fully set it. Then snap down the connector cover and it usually will click into place. One more thing, don't forget to remove the wiper protection cover. Spray some water on the windshield and see how your cost-saving do-it-yourself project works. Ole ole! Another down and dirty do-it-yourself project. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.